Hey guys, what's up? So, we are playing the claw machine. Hopefully we can win some. We got some Spider-Man dice probably gonna go for. We got Butters, Big Bird, and then we got a Rock plush. Still looking for that Sheamus. I would buy it, but I'm kinda like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, I just knocked that off the wall, and guess what? It still has the little thing, the suction cup. That's awesome. Oh, okay. Put another buck. That's awesome, guys. I got that for $1 or 50 cents. I should just spend $1. Let's give this Big Bird a try now. See if I win this. So yeah. So there's only like 3 or 4 things I really want in here. I've already done one of them. I cannot believe I knocked that off the wall. I didn't even think I would, but I did. That was pretty insane. So yeah, so let's go for this Big Bird. I think that's the name, right? Big Bird? I don't know. I watched Sesame Street as a kid, a little kid. I don't remember the names there. So yeah, so I gotta make sure, guys, that I get the suction cup. Make sure I don't lose it. I'll probably put it in my pocket just to make sure. I should have it. Come on. Fat bird, come on, fat bird. Sweet, we got a fat bird. Come on. Yes, Butters. Maybe 4. Come on. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. That's insane. Oh my goodness. Oh, what should I go for? I'm not sure if I should just go for the dice or if I should go for something else and maybe have to spend another buck, but see if I can get 2 in 1. So let's see if I can get 2 in 1 on this. If I can't, I'll just spend another buck and win them. Nope, okay. So guys, I could not believe that. That is insane. I've never had that happen today, or I've never had that happen. Well, I've never had dice in the claw machine, so. Come on. No! Oh goodness. I have not had very good luck with today, in a different way. There we go. Yeah! Wow, this one doesn't even you can't even go outside anyway. You can't even but I added them up. Yeah, there's like 100 no license plaques. So looks like it's over in those headphones.